Java versus JavaScript. What's the difference? People often get confused between the two. Java is a strictly object-oriented and class-based language created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1990s, which was later acquired by Oracle. And now Oracle owns Java. Its main purpose was write once, run anywhere, and for that Java's compiler is the most complicated thing I have ever seen. Java needs so many moving parts to run, which is definitely handled by an IDE like IntelliJ. JavaScript is now the most used language in the entire tech industry. I mean, this thing is literally everywhere. Not only you can make websites and web applications, but mobile apps with React Native, desktop apps with Electron, and backend with Node.js. You might be able to make sandwiches with it. It was made by Brandon Ike while working at another browser company named Netscape. It took him 10 days to complete the first version of JavaScript. That explains a lot of things. It was firstly named Mocha, they had to go with coffee, then changed to LiveScript, then to JavaScript, as it was competing with Java, which was at the time used on the web. To sum up, use Java if you want to write high-level applications with no worries about what would be the best thing to create your applications in. Use JavaScript if you want to write browser-level applications with the desire to lose yourself in the choice of frameworks. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe if you want to see me pretend I know what I'm doing.